Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Papi Mangu, El Mangu to your investments, man. Let's get right into it, man. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Comment down below if you got, anything you want to ask me, any questions. If you got coin suggestions or stock suggestions or just any suggestions at all, drop it down below in the comments, guys. I am reading them even though I'm not getting any comments, except for Christian, my guy, who commented down below in one of my videos. He asked me, I forgot what, it's too inappropriate to say what he said. But anyway, let's get right into it, guys. Let's get right into it, guys. Look at Bitcoin, man. Look at Bitcoin, guys. We're trading below this trend line right here, but we could just be bouncing off this trend line right here. I mean, yeah, this uptrend right here, so we could go back up here, test all-time highs again. Guys, not really sure what not really sure what we should do. But guys, look what I found out. I found out about this. Look at that. So Bitcoin yesterday had an 8% drop. Had an 8% drop from the top to the bottom, like 8.5%. If you had bought down here, you'd be up like 1%. that wasn't anticipated how, but you guys get the idea. You guys get the idea. As soon as we need that tool right there, we're gonna use it. But anyway, I already did my technical analysis. So guys, honestly, we just gotta just get up above this trend, this line right here. We gotta make sure we don't do no bounces over here. If we do bounces over here, then obviously that's bearish. We're gonna go over to like the 50s. Like people are speculating. We want it to go down to like 61. It almost hit 61 today. It was, well, not almost, but it was like at the lowest. What's that right there? Lowest it hit. Oh yeah, it was at 62. Almost hit 61. Just 500, like more than $500 away from hitting 61. But truthfully, man, I want it to go back down there, to be honest. I do, man. I wanted to go back to the 50s. If it goes back to the 58,000, bro, I'm speculating we could have a nice pullback. A nice pullback that'll bring us down here. I see it. You probably see it, man. Just let's look at the daily chart. The daily chart, the moving averages are fighting right now. It looks like, oh yeah, it looks like see this orange one? This orange one is the bearish one. So it looks like we crossed it. So we might actually, go down. Might actually go down. As you can see that little red print right there. We seriously could go down. We could be getting a correction real soon, real quick, probably through the weekend, guys. Because remember, Fridays are very volatile. Fridays are very volatile due to the options expiration. So you guys got to keep that in mind. When Friday comes around and the weekend and all that, crypto tends to get very volatile. So I would, you just got to be careful. You got to be very careful, guys. Don't panic when you see all that happening, guys, because that's just the technical versions of that's just the technicals, guys. Anyway, let's look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin looking pretty bearish. Well, bullish but bearish at the same time. Yeah, this is a bullish flag and all, but then look at the MACD and the RSI. The RSI looks like it's curving a little bit down from neutral territory, so we could see a bounce off down here, down to 30, down to 40, hopefully. Let's just see what happens. Just look at it on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, as you can see, we're going into this apex. Guys, we keep squeezed in here. We'll be squeezing in here for a while, probably throughout the weekend. Throughout the weekend, we could either see a breakout or just continue this up until next week. Next week, guys. So yeah, be wary of that. Make sure you get your positions, guys. This is a good buy, in my opinion. Dogecoin's at a good buy. Whether it's below 30 cents, it's a good buy in my eyes, in my opinion. And this isn't financial advice. This will never be financial advice. I'm just giving out the education and the facts, in my own opinion. All right. Now let's get back into this video again. Guys, yeah, you know, in the 4 hour we did print 2 green candles, but you know, it's just when you look at it this way. Oh, yeah, no, hold on. I may be wrong. I may be wrong, guys. Remember that, because look at the RSI compared to how it was on the daily versus compared to the 4 hour. The 4 hour kind of like, you know, you feel me? You feel me? It's looking good. Look at the blue. Look at the blue indicator, the blue moving averages. It could have we could have a little cross right here between these two battling out like Goku and Vegeta, but man, we gonna see. That's dead ass Goku and Vegeta. Look at. All right, so this is Goku and this is Vegeta. When Vegeta goes up, just know Vegeta's taking us to the moon. When Goku's overpowering, he's bringing us down. All right, that's how we see it. That is Goku orange and Vegeta's the blue. All right, let's go Ethereum. Ethereum, you see, I drew this downtrend line because look at what we did down here. We kind of broke down under, and possibly, you see this trend line, guys? We could possibly get a decent pullback because look at, we have been going parabolic up. Guys, look at that. Look at Ethereum. Oh my God. Look at Ethereum. It's just been going up, guys. But Ethereum could have a close right here. Right here we could have a close, or we could break right through that. Just based on the RSI and the MACD, I mean, yeah, it looks like we could keep going down. But let's check on the daily. When in doubt, zoom out. Yeah. Yep, look at that. Goku just beat Vegeta. So yeah, I think we're gonna be going down, or it could be what happened here where we just had like this. You see, it came down a little bit and then we came right back up. That could be a probability. But truthfully, with the consistency that we had, guys, remember, look at those green weeks we had. All these green weeks. Eventually, we're gonna get a red one, because nothing goes up forever, guys. Nothing is going to go up forever. They're gonna bring ETH down. All right, and Solana, you know, Solana looks like it's going down on the daily. Yeah, it looks like Solana's gonna probably break down here. I would not 130. That's a stretch. Say worst case scenario it goes down to 175 again, 180. But that's if. That's depending on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin retraces back to 58, you know that's gonna bring the whole market down with it. And if that happens, yeah, I could speculate that we're going down here, back to the 70s, 170, and I'll be buying down there, to be honest. I'm waiting for Solana to hit that range. Anyway, Vegeta, for ADA, we're winning right now. Vegeta's winning, but look at Goku. Goku's gonna come in and swoop the day. He's gonna steal his girl, man. Goku's been winning all these weeks. But we could get a bottom. We could have probably bottomed out right here, and now we're gonna see some green coming in. Some green for that mango. And on the, hold on, guys, because let's actually do our TA here. Because honestly, I'm just looking at, look at this. But we gotta draw this. We gotta draw this line. Low key, we're like bouncing off this line right here. Pretty much bouncing off this line. Let me make that red. So guys, if we keep bouncing off here and then it just get squeezed into this apex right here, wow, that's a lot. End of this month, nah, I wouldn't say ADA is gonna keep consolidating in this area for that long, to be honest. But you know, look at ADA. ADA has done that. ADA has done that. But honestly, truthfully, we have to try to break out of this trend line right here. This downtrend line, we have to break out of it. We have to break out of it and start this trend line right here. Because you see this high right here? Our previous high, we got to try to break out of that. If we break out of that, we're good. We're golden. We're Gucci. Gucci like mine. So let's paint this. Let me reset this chart. All right, let's paint this. So we have another resistance test, guys. If you see that right there, this right here specifically, guys, you guys gotta look at this. We bounce off here, break down, then that confirms we're going bearish. But if not, then we're gonna, you know, keep consolidating in this little triangle till we hit this apex around here, around this area right here, before we see our breakout, or we could see it, you know, right here. You could either see it when we break out of this, or when we break out of this. So just be wary, guys. Just be wary. Matic, we're trading inside this descending triangle. We try to form a cup and handle, but you know the handle just broke down, and now we're Goku's beating Vegeta, but Vegeta's trying to fight. You see this? Vegeta's fighting, guys. Vegeta's gonna hit that cross, and then boom, it's up for him. And then we'll probably go up here, maybe, and retest this downtrend line at $2. Probably go back, yeah, probably hit $2. But we have this overhead one right here at 190. We got to break past the 190 before we could try to break $2. All right, so watch out for that 190 mark. Vetcoin, we broke out of this trend line, and then we came right back down inside of it. So we're just gonna keep for Vetcoin. We're gonna keep consolidating. Where it's at right now? It's at 15.9. Yeah. In my opinion, this is a buy. I would pick up some. Remember, guys, it's not financial advice, but I would pick some up. Let's draw our lines. So since we bounced, we kind of bounced off here. We got to try to see if we could bounce off this right here. Let me draw the other downtrend right here. We got to break out of this, guys. Out of this one right here. And yeah, I know it's looking messy, but guys, come on. It's to the point. It's simple. Look at all these lines. You got to find out which one we got to break. We got to make our break right here. We just formed our X factor, our make or break. Guys, I'm just making this all up as I go. So it's cool. It's cool. But as soon as we make here, we hit this apex right here. We can either make it or break it. Whatever happens, I'm all for it, guys. I'm all for it. I'm either gonna be buying or waiting, just riding that wave up. Guys, look at Cosmo coin. We broke it. We broke down heavy. That crash yesterday really messed us up. Look, let's see how much we went down. Get that out of my way, man. We went down about, okay, there we go. 24%, guys. If you bought down here, you bought at like a 24% discount, and then from the bottom, see, this is why I like this, guys. And then from the bottom to the top, you made 13%. Quick and easy, 13% in a matter of a day, guys. Come on, you can't even get that. In the stock market in a month or 2 months, guys. Well, you can if you get the right stocks. But like I'm saying, guys. But anyway, since we broke out of this, let's delete this. All right, so we're in this little downtrend right here. I would just say right here, and then this guy going right here. Guys, you could be consolidating in this area right here, in my opinion. Let's see if we try to like make a little high right here, so then we could actually confirm this downtrend line, and then tomorrow we'll report back and see what's going on. All right, XRP, we're trading below our trend line. Almost setting a bottom, but hopefully we stop right here, and then let me just low key we kind of did, so I'm just gonna move this like that. We're still in that uptrend, guys. That uptrend is still confirmed. We're going back up. We could retest around here, the 120, 130 area, before we go up here to 135. Guys, remember, XRP is a slow mover right now because of the whole lawsuit that they have against the SEC. The SEC has against them, which is just messing everyone up. And the SEC, apparently they care for the consumer and the investor, but they're hurting us, man. They're hurting us with, look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. We're missing out on all the gains. We're missing out on the gains, guys. Come on, not XRP, the SEC. Do better, eh? Do better. Guys, let's draw a purple line. Let's draw this purple line, guys. Right here, I gotta be accurate, man. I'm OCD. Alright, guys, that's our purple line, guys. Our purple line is, we're almost there. We're almost at that purple line. So truth be told, we could see that movement coming in. And look at that. and then there's from our bottom, our local bottom, all the way to the top. What was that? That's down here. Sheesh. If you had bought, bro, watch. Let me show you something. If you had bought, when was this? In December last year. If you had got involved in crypto last year, in December right now, you'd be up 5x. About 5x, guys. If you sold up here, if you sold at this top right here before this correction, you would have been up, what's that? It's 600%. Come on. In a matter of 11 months, this happened. 400%. In a matter of 4 months, guys. 11 months. This is crazy. This is really crazy, guys. I'm here for the gains. I'm here for these gains, man. These gains are just too intense. Mana broke out, guys. Hold on. Let's look at this on the 4 hour. Mana broke out, and now we're on our way to an uptrend, yo. Man, this is crazy. Sheesh, guys. I had to cut it off real quick right there, but guys, look at that. Look at Mana. Mana's going off. Mana's getting a nice little, nice little pump right here. Maybe we could go further. Maybe we could go further, guys. But it could correct. It could be correcting because people speculated that we were supposed to get a correction soon, but that never happened. That never happened really. So we're bouncing off here. We could bounce off a little bit, and then right here around this area. This is what's it like the end of this is like the end of November, second last next week or the end of November. Right here we could pop off, or we could literally pop off right here. Guys, it could go both ways. It could really go both ways, guys. Anyway, let's check AMP real quickie. AMP we're breaking down this line right here, guys. Breaking down this line right here. So let's start our new. Oh man, I can't even from right here, guys. From our all-time. Was this our no? Look at that! Oh my god! Oh my god! AMP, man. All right. Anyway, from right about here, I would put our line, and yeah, right here. So in the short term, we could make or break. In the short term, we could make or break, but you just gotta hold the line, guys. Hold the line, guys. AMP is a great project. Given on the 4 hour, it looks like we could have a retracement. Vegeta could fight back Goku. Let's check on the daily chart. The daily chart, yeah, Vegeta's about to try to test Goku's might again, and Goku. In my opinion, I feel like Goku might overpower. Goku might overpower just looking at the RSI. The RSI is just coming down after this huge pump. Let's see. Let's check it out. So from here all the way up here, it's about a 100x. Not 100x. A double its price. So you would have doubled gains, and then came back down. How much? From here to here, about 34%. So if you buy, it's a 34%. A 34%. What's it called? Discount. But in my opinion, guys, you gotta wait for this. See if we make it or break it. If we make it, if we just make it up here just a little bit, to me that's a buy signal. I'll probably put a little bit in there. In my opinion, I'm buying, not you, unless you. It's not financial advice, guys. I don't know how many times I gotta keep repeating that. Like in all honesty, I don't know how many times. I'm scared of guys. I'm scared. I'm very scared of YouTube. Anyway, as you can see with the Bitcoin, this is the Bitcoin dominance, guys. We're at 43%, dropping down some. We're just dropping down some. We're not, we're not testing this all-time high at all. We're not trying it. We just keep getting rejected up here. This small time flag, small time flag right here. Looks like we're getting rejected. If we keep coming down, I don't know what to think. I don't know, man. Then the altcoins are gonna go crazy. That's a given fact. The altcoins are gonna go crazy. All right. Let's check the total market cap of crypto. Yeah. Looks like we hit all-time high at almost 3. Honestly, in my opinion, we did touch 3 trillion. We touched 3 trillion, and then, you know, we just had to come back down because that's our all-time high. Guys, let's look at the weekly. The weekly, look at that. It's just like Bitcoin. Guys, remember, Bitcoin moves the market. Bitcoin moves the market. Anyway, on the 4-hour, guys, just gotta watch out. Not really watch out for anything. Just guys, just you know, do your thing. Let's check Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu. It kind of broke it, and then it made it, and then now it's breaking a little bit back down. I don't know what to say about guy. Let's check on the daily. On the daily, it looks like Goku might keep winning. Might keep bringing Shiba down. Come on, Goku. We don't want you to keep bringing Shiba down. All right. And if you look at Iotex is doing great. Let's check the 4-hour. Yeah, look at that pumpage. Look at that pumpage. Sheesh. Yo, Louis, if you're watching this is for you, man. Look at Iotex, man. Look at Iotex, man. It's pumping a little bit. Maybe we could see. Yeah, look at Vegeta. Vegeta's about to come up and test Goku's might again. Let's see what happens. Cadena, guys. Cadena is a new coin that recently just pumped like crazy, guys. From when was this? From October. Guys, this is guys. Remember, this is October 2021. As you saw, it just went up 11x. 11x. If you put $100 in there, what would that be? 1,000? Yeah, it's 1,000. It's $1,000. Put $1,000 in, that's $10,000. Come on, man. It's $11,000 at that. It's a lot, man. Almost coughed. But Ethereum Classic, guys. Ethereum Classic. It had a huge pumpage. It pumped all the way up to 65, and then it came quickly down and fit back to the 55. This is where I had it before. I missed this pump. Man, I sold and bought AMC. Speaking of AMC, guys, look at AMC. Look how bullish AMC is looking. AMC is looking bullish, guys. Right at close, we closed above our trend line. We could see a short squeeze coming in next week, or honestly, we could see a short squeeze coming in soon. A short squeeze is coming in soon, guys. And then we're going to get this. We're going to get this right here, guys. Remember this? How long was that in the day? How long was that in the day? How many days was that pump? What was it like? It was a lot. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days in a week. In a week, it made all that. And how much was that? Let's check. So if you had bought right here, you would have been up about 5x. 5x, guys. That's insane. Insane. Tesla's been going down, guys. Tesla's been going down. I just sold my Tesla before it went all the way down, and I still had some profit, like $2. Like, not even $2. My Robinhood messed up, so I don't know how many. Probably had like 20 cents profit or 20 cents loss. But anyway, yeah, Tesla's good. Tesla's a good long-term buy if you want to buy it long-term. Because, like, let's see, from the bottom right here to the top, it's like at a 25% discount. From the bottom to the top, like a 25% discount, guys. All right, guys, this was in full screen mode this whole time. I like that. I like this chart. Yeah, this thingy. Anyway, before I go, let's check the fear and greed. Fear and greed came down some to 70 to 74. And let's check the altcoin season index. Altcoin season index. We're still neutral, guys. We're still at 51. Guys, just give the Bitcoin dominance some time to go down, and we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys got something out of it. And always make sure you eat your mango tonight with your avocado, man. Ain't nothing else to it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below if you give me some feedback. If you got something to talk about, you talk about me, talk about some coins or something. You know what I mean? I'm all about that coin talk, guys. I'm all about that coin talk, man. Alright, man. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Have a good night, and make sure you eating your mango.